Are you into planned construction, complex sewage systems, and of course, proper fiscal management? Well, a lot of you seem to be, as SimCity-inspired city Skylines is hitting major sales numbers. Developed by Finnish studio Colossal Order, the game has now sold more than 500,000 copies. Impressive seeing as it only released on March 10th. It moved 250,000 copies in its first 24 hours, making it publisher Paradox Interactive's fastest selling game yet. On Monday, however, the company said the single-player game has now doubled that figure. Looks like we broke the 500k barrier, it wrote on Twitter. Huge thanks to every single chirpy who has supported us so far. Less than 3. Aww. In GameSpot's 8 out of 10 City Skylines review, real-life mayor Brett Todd wrote, "Right now there is no better way to take a peek at life as a mayor without filing your papers to run for office in the real world." I mean, you'd know, right? Look, he's got the chain and everything. City Skyline also offers mod support via the Steam Workshop, allowing for such building necessities as elevated pedestrian roundabout, Soviet hospital, and of course everyone's favourite, large agricultural field. Finally! But it's not just your average gamer giving this modding lark a go. A former Maxis employee who worked on 2013's SimCity and was out of a job after Maxis Emeryville shut down has launched a Patreon seeking funding to create buildings for Paradox's game. For more information about Brian Shannon and his crowdfunding campaign, just check out his Patreon at the link on screen. So, have you been playing City Skylines? How do you feel about these sales figures, and are you excited about the modding potential? Personally, I'm looking forward to Cities Skyrim. Let me know in the comments down below, and for all the rest of your video game news, come on back to GameSpot.